Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will learn the design of contact JSP and also submitting a feedback or some message how we can send through this contact JSP. So first let us concentrate on the design. Okay, so I have created a contact.jsp under web pages. Yeah, under this web pages, I have created a contact.jsp. I have added a link, Bootstrap, and font awesome CSS. Then style designing, I have written inside the style tag. Same for the body. I have given the margin 0 and background black. This design I have taken from the register page. So if you watch the starting videos, earlier videos, like register and login page design, I have taken the same design. See, the same design of register and login page, I have copy pasted. So if you want, you can change the design also. So now header and footer I have included for this page. See, header and footer is there. And yeah, one container class I've created and one div with the padding 40px is there. See, this is the container class and some 40px padding I have given. That's why spacing is there around this div. Now, one div I've taken for the message, like how for the register and login messages were displaying, right? Like login successful, registered successfully. So here also like message has been sent successfully. For those messages, I have created a div and the message will be printed in the h1 tag. Now I've taken the main div called class wrap. See, this is the main div class wrap. Same design. If you check out the register and login video, you will get it. So wrap class I've taken and have designed this wrap class. See here, wrap class I've designed. Then inside that, so one heading I've used, that is a contact us heading. Then form I've taken because we have to send this message, right? We are having a button called send. We have to send this message. So form I've taken. And servlet, now I'm using a register servlet. Register servlet only I'm going to use for this contact. So here we are having three input fields. One is name, email, and message. So all the three input fields are of the type text, and different name parameters or name attributes have given, like name, email, and message. Placeholders also have given, see name, email, message, and all the three fields are required. Then one button I have taken, so type is equal to submit. So, and value is send. See, type is equal to submit and value is send. And for this button also I have designed. So by taking the class name called submit. See here, for submit also I have designed. So this is about one div, left div. Okay, see, this is the left div. I have given float left and clear left. Now again I have taken another div here. See, this is the another div. This is the one div, float left, clear left, and this is the another div. So I have taken a class name as wrap1. So wrap1 also I have designed here. Yeah. See, for the wrap1, float right, because it should come in the right side. So float right I have given, and color white, and some padding also I have given around this div. Some padding I have given, and color also white I have given. And yes. So inside that div, so for all these, I've taken one div. See, for this address and this icon, one div is there. And for this text, one div is there. Again, phone and this symbol, one div. Phone number, one div. Email and icon, one div. And this email ID, one div. So like that, separate divs I have created. So inside that div, I have used the I tag. That's why I've used the font awesome, right? So font awesome icons I'm using. The marker, phone, and envelope symbol icons I'm using here. That's why font awesome.css link I have added. Then this address, phone, and email, I have taken it in a h3 tag. That's why it is coming in bold and some font size has been increased here. H3 tag is there. For H3, I have, color I have changed. See, for H3 tag, color I have changed. That's why it is not coming in white color. It is coming in some orange color. Now, Then the text has been written inside a div. So this class text I have written, but I have not designed anything for that. So this is looking fine. So that's why I've left like that. So this is about the another div. So I've closed the div and footer.jsp I have added. So simple design. So two divs I've taken, one in the left side and one in the right side. Left side form I have written, and right side I've written the address of the company, phone number, email ID, and everything. Okay, this is about the designing of contact.jsp. Now, let me go to the functionality. Yes, on entering, let me enter the name, email ID, and message. Some message have written ABCD, something. Okay, on clicking send, see, on clicking send button, so this control will navigate to a registered servlet, register.java, and it will search for the condition called contact. So go to the register.java. In the register.java already have written few conditions, like for register, submit one is there, for login is there, and logout condition is also there. So but it will search for the parameter called contact. So request.get parameter of contact not equal to null. It will come inside this condition whenever you click on send button. Okay. Then whatever the three input fields values are there, I'm fetching it in a servlet by using this attribute names, name, email, and message. See, name, request.get parameter of name, email, message, and I'm storing it in a string variables called name, email, and message. And I've created a contact us method in the registration one class, and I'm passing all these variables to that method. Okay, go to the contact us method in the registration one class. Yes, contact us, and I'm holding these parameters, name, email, and message. Okay, here I'm using the prepared statement. So now we'll go to the database first. Contact table we have to create. So the structure is like this. One is like ID. It is of a primary key. So int I have taken name and some data type is varchar, email, message. All the three columns I have taken, and date also I've done which date they have contacted us. So that date also I am just storing it. So this is about a simple data structure. So table structure of a contact JSP. So here we have to insert these messages, this data, whatever we have entered, we have to store it in a contact table, right? So for that insert query, we have to insert into contact values. So total 5 columns are there. So first is a integer, right? So primary key. So for that we have to write 0 only. Then again, for name, email, and message, I'm passing question mark. These are called the placeholders. So for these placeholders, I'm setting here. See, by using this prepared statement object, I'm setting for the first question mark. The first placeholder, name will be stored. For the second placeholder, email will be stored. And for the third placeholder, so message will be stored. Last column is the date column. Now the current date and time will be inserted, and I'm executing this prepared statement. So after executing this, so all the things whatever we have entered here will be stored into a contact table. If it is inserted successfully, status success I am taking, or else status failure I am taking. And this status, it will go back to a servlet register.java, and it will be stored in a variable called status. Here I'm checking the status value and I'm navigating as per that. If status is success, then it will navigate to a contact.jsp. Even if it is not success, also contact.jsp only it will navigate, but with a different message. So here I'm using a session concept here, like I've taken a session variable name, message, and value also. If it is successful, sent successfully, I'm storing it in a message. And if it is not successful, message not sent will be stored into a session variable called message. So now in the contact.jsp, as I've already told, here I'm checking. I've created a div for printing those messages in the h1 tag. I'm checking for that message session variable message. If it is not equal to null, so that message will be printed here in the inside the h1 tag. And after that, I'm making it null. So this message variable, I am emptying it. So otherwise, like wherever in whichever JSP this message variable is being used for, there also like this message will be printed. That's why here only I'm making it null. So this is also a simple concept contact. So we will check now. I have already filled the data. Click on send. See, sent successfully. See, the message sent successfully is there. We will check in the database. Contact, yes. See, Divya, I have entered Divya at gmail.com. Some message I have written. Current date and time is stored. Okay. So, and this message also, it is being printed. Sent successfully. See here. It is inserted successfully. That's why it came into the success condition. And in the message session variable, sent successfully stored, and it will be printed here. So again, whenever you refresh, the message will go because here I'm emptying it. That variable name, I am emptying it. Okay, so this is about the contact page, guys. Then we have one more information, like if you want more technical related concepts or code or interview related questions, MCQs or e-notes, so you can follow Karthik sir on Sukshmas here in the website sukshmas.com. So, and one more thing is, like if you want to become a Beyond Knowing mentor, so click on the Beyond Knowing header menu at the header, go to the details section, click on BK mentors, and 4 factors are there. If you satisfy these 4 factors, then you will be automatically shortlisted as a new mentor, and you have an opportunity of getting scholarship up to rupees 5,000 per month. So don't miss this. And this mentors policies are also there, so you can read out this. Okay, fine, guys. Thank you. Then see you in the next session.